Friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you are subscribed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my next video updates almost instantly. Thank you. So welcome friends. I am Indrajit Mukherjee. I am the founder of stockmaniacs.net and I am back with a new webinar. So today's webinar topic is easiest day trading strategy for beginners using reversal technique. So as the name suggests, you can understand I'll show you a very simple day trading strategy and that uses the reversal technique. You can find out the exact reversal point of the market. So a small intro of mine. You can, if you want to know more about me, you can visit my site at stockmaniacs.net. So you can just type www.stockmaniacs.net and you can get connected to me. I'll just show you the how my site looks like. So this is stockmaniacs.net. You can visit there. We do write on the stock market, on various topics, IPOs, trading strategies and all, and you can get some idea on the market. You can get connected to me. So let me advance to the next slide. So after watching this video, what all you will learn? So you will learn how to find the exact reversal point of a stock. So every day a stock reverses from a specific point. I'll show you how you can find out the exact reversal point within few minutes. You will also learn how to use the end of day charts for spotting reversal points. So no intraday charts are required, only end of day charts and you can spot the reversal point. It is damn easy. I'll also show you how to get the trading levels even before the market starts. So no on market thing, you will get to know everything before the market starts. I'll show you how to keep a smaller stop loss and a bigger target. How to enter and exit intraday. So though you are actually using the end of day charts, but the strategy is intraday. I'll also show you how to at least earn 1% to 2% profits every day. Yes, my friend, it is possible. You can earn 1% to 2% profits every day. Believe me, after watching the webinar, you will also know the technique. And last but not the least, you will learn how to increase your trading accuracy to even 90% to 95% and above. So these all things you will learn after watching this video. So this small video, if you are a beginner, this small video can change your trading. So let me advance my slide. You can copy my trades. So how you can copy my trades? You can join my trading team by opening a trading and demat account with my recommended brokerage house. You can also get the tools that I use for trading. You can get real-time trading alerts in WhatsApp for educational purpose. I do send real-time trading alerts in WhatsApp or in Telegram for my clients who have opened a trading and demat account with my recommended brokerage house. So you can also be one of them and you can get a real-time trading alert and you can do live trading with me. So if you want to join, if you want to copy my trades and you want to join my trading team, just WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID and send it to +91 967432 21856. So I'll repeat the WhatsApp number once again. It is +91 96743 21856. You can also open a trading and demat account with me by visiting this link. Just remember this link. It is bit.ly/JITRADING join hyphen Zerodha. So bit.ly/join dash Zerodha. Do not worry, I will give you the link in the description of the video. So you can open a trading and demat account by visiting this link, and that account will be opened with me. So once you open the account, you can get all the benefits that I offer to my trading clients. So now I'll come to the topic. I'll show you the easiest day trading strategy using reversal technique. So one example of the messages that I sent, those are all live messages that I sent on 5th of October 2018. So we have sent a message to sell Dalmia Bharat near 2178 to 2179 with a stop loss above 2205, and the targets are 2160 and 2120. So now check what are the follow-up comments over there, what are the follow-up messages over there. We sent a message to book partial profits near 2158.50. So it is 1% profit done. So I have shown you that 1% to 2% profits can be made every day. So your 1% profit is done, and this is our first morning rocket. 1% target is done. You can book partial and you can keep rest for the final target. And see, the first message has been sent on 9:35. The first profit booking message sent on 11 minutes past 10, and the final target achieved message sent on 14 minutes past 3 o'clock. That means just before the market closed. So Dalmia Bharat fell down starting from 2178 2179 zone to 2120, our final target. So you can imagine what kind of profit potential is there. Now I will show you how I have generated this call. Let me go to the charts of Dalmia Bharat. So this is the Dalmia Bharat chart. This is the last day's chart. This is 5th of October. So I have spotted this trade before 5th of October market started, and I have used only this daily chart. Now check how I spotted that level. You need to visualize the support and resistance levels in the chart, in the daily charts. See, here is the resistance level in Dalmia Bharat, and here was the support level, because the market rebounded exactly from this support level. So this zone 2179 is the support zone of Dalmia Bharat. So Dalmia Bharat actually has broken the support on 4th of October. 4th of October it has broken down the support, and it has closed below the support. So how I got the exact reversal point of Dalmia Bharat for the next day? So 2179 zone was the support that has been breached. So now 2179 2180 level will work as a resistance for the next day. So whenever the market opened, we waited for a pullback till 2179 zone, and once it has reached the resistance zone, we shorted. So this is easily you can find out a day trading stock just using the end of day chart. So there is no indicator needed, nothing. You need not to follow the intraday chart also. Just find out the support and resistance levels. If it has breached the support, you need to sell. When it retests the support zone, means the support becomes resistance once the support is breached. And in case of a resistance broken, in that case, if the stock moves above the resistance now becomes support. So if it retests the support, you can enter a buy order. Here we have actually entered a short order. You can see. Now I'll show you the 5 minutes chart of Dalmia Bharat. So this is the 5 minutes chart. 5th October market started here. Market actually reached 2179 zone. You can see 3 times it has attempted 1, 2 and 3. 3 times it has attempted to cross the 2179 zone and it has failed. And see the final fall. The Dalmia Bharat actually has made a low towards 2101 to 2100 level. It has made a low. So you can understand what kind of accurate this strategy is. Now let us go back to the slide. So our subscribers received the message to short sell Dalmia Bharat near 2178 2179 zone and with a stop loss above 2205 for a target of 2160. Now see, exactly you cannot predict a level. So near, we use the near term. So market can go towards 2178 2179 zone. Whenever you are finding it near to that zone, you can short sell. Do not mind 1 to 2 rupees. So there can be a plus minus of 1 to 2 rupees always. And we have kept a small stop loss, around 1% stop loss, and initial target of 1%, and the second target was bigger. So you can book partial profits in the first target and you can trail for the second target. So you can find out that my subscribers have received the Dalmia Bharat sell call well in time. They have booked partial profits near 2158 2160 zone and finally their target has been achieved. So this is the power of the reversal technique. Now let us go to the second example. So second example is Dr. Reddy. Same day, 5th of October 2018. You can see my subscribers have received a message to sell Dr. Reddy's lab near 2430 with a stop loss above 2485 and the target of 2380 to 2330. You can see within half an hour we have sent a profit booking message to the subscribers. Dr. Reddy book profit near 2405 to 2400 or book full before close. So after that we sent a final closing message that today again all calls are hit. Dalmia Bharat, Godrej consumer product. We have also sent a message on Godrej CP. We have not discussed it here. And Dr. Reddy, once again a huge gain today. So now I'll show you how I found out the example of Dr. Reddy. So let us go to the charts once again. Let us open the Dr. Reddy chart. So the Dr. Reddy chart is opened. Let us go to the Dr. Reddy daily charts. So now here you need to find out the support and resistance levels and you need to follow them very closely. See, this zone was a major resistance or support for Dr. Reddy. This 2430 zone. So 2430 was the major resistance because the price has hit 2430 zone and after that for many days it has fallen. So then when once it has breached this zone, it has moved up and finally once again it has breached the 2430 zone on 4th of October. This is 4th of October candle, this is 5th of October candle. So we found out this 2430 zone for a short selling zone for Dr. Reddy. Why short sell? Because Dr. Reddy has closed below this 2430 zone decisively. So we had a conviction that if it tries to retest the 2430 zone on intraday on the next day, it will not be able to sustain there. So that was a very good short selling opportunity. Now let us see what has happened in the intraday. So I am going back to 5 minutes chart. So this is the 5th of October market started. Slowly, the stock actually has broken down yesterday. So slowly it was recovering towards 2430. It could not made a high of 2430, just missed 2430 by 1 rupee. But still, I have told you, a small gap can be there. So do not wait for the exact level. If you get the exact level, it is fine. If you do not get it, then also do not wait for 1 rupee, 2 rupee for a 2400 rupee stock. You can enter. So it has made a high of 2429.10, and from there it has crashed towards 2370. Within few minutes you can make a huge profit. So this is the power of the reversal technique, my friends. You can get the reversal point even before the market started. So this is the power of the reversal techniques. So my friends, I have discussed how you can find the reversal points of the stocks very easily using the support resistance levels. Before I conclude, some required disclosure and disclaimer that I use this technique every day in finding stocks for me and my clients, and you need to use this video for educational purpose only. Actual results may vary trader to trader and depends on money management capability of the trader. So my friends, thank you for watching the webinar. Before you leave this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once you hit the subscribe button, please also click the bell icon to get updates on new videos from me. I love to answer your comments on this subject. If you want to join my trading team, I have already told you how you can join my trading team. Just WhatsApp me to +91 9674321856. Send me your name, phone number and email ID. Once you open a trading and demat account with me in my recommended broker, I'll be adding you to my trading team, and you can learn these kind of techniques. You can get this kind of real-time alerts from me in WhatsApp or in Telegram for educational purpose. You can make your trading career much better. So friends, thank you once again for watching. Till we meet in my next video. Bye bye.